Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Polygon daily update and I will tell you something that I like on MATIC Bitcoin chart and something that I don't really like. And before we begin, make sure to join our monthly subscription, guys. You get easy profits even on a bearish market. So buy me a coffee / Mind Your Crypto. Link is in the description down below. Also, the link for the Telegram group chat is in the description down below as well. We are a community that grows fast and grows together. We help each other every day. Let's see now, guys, something major here. Major support and resistance levels. You can see 1.29, 1.20 to 21. You can see this is a strong support level, but personally, guys, I don't want MATIC to go down here, because eventually if we go down here, we might get further down, and then our next support level will be 1.10, right? We don't want to see that for MATIC. It is holding a little bit strong, okay, but overall, guys, I believe that we will see an upward soon in the Bitcoin and the altcoins. They will start soon moving upwards, and I will explain why. Therefore, 1.39 is easily attainable again, guys, and I believe 1.49, 1.58 are our next short-term price targets. Of course, if we even go upwards, guys, we will check for major resistance levels again, but right now let's take this step by step. 1.49, 1.58 are next short-term price targets. They still remain as it is, and let's go to see the MACD. On the MACD, guys, it isn't looking so good. We had this bearish cross. We are having a bearish cross again, but what I hope for is that to see a momentum shift and of course the blue line surpass the single line. That's what we want to see for the MACD on the 4-hour frame. And as you already know, I believe that on the 4-hour frame on TradingView we should see higher highs and higher lows, but in the daily frame we care about bullish and bearish crosses. Let's go now to the commodity channel index, guys, and the RSI. You can see the commodity channel index is in an extremely oversold situation. We are way below minus 100. Same here, guys, for the RSI. Actually not the same. You can see we are a little bit above the 30, 36. We are not yet in an oversold situation, although I believe after that we will just go upwards, right? We will just move upwards. Let's see now what we will do, because the commodity channel index is in an extremely oversold situation right here. Can we go further down? Yes, we can. Of course, we have more room to correct, but I'm just saying that we are in an extremely oversold situation. Alright, so according to the SSL channel, we had a buying opportunity, now we don't. SSL channel, guys, is a little bit confusing. Sometimes it is right, sometimes it is wrong. I believe it is best to combine other indicators with it. I don't believe that you can see only one indicator and decide if you buy or not. Even though, guys, I do believe that we might soon have a good buying opportunity for Polygon. Let's see now the daily frame. The daily, we are close in the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands. If we were here, guys, I would tell you that we would probably go upwards, but now we are getting closer to the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands here, and you can see that the daily commodity channel index, guys, is below minus 100. You can see we are in an oversold situation standing for MATIC. You can see the RSI, though, is in the middle around there. We don't have an extremely oversold situation, a very low risk, because the RSI is above the 30 as well, but the commodity channel index is below minus 100, guys. I believe we can maybe go a little bit further down and then move upwards, having a significant swing high on the daily frame. The MACD is going all the way down. Doesn't look good, guys. You can see what we did here. We went upwards. It seems like, guys, what TFuel did on the TFuel against Bitcoin chart, though, not on the TFuel against USDT, is that we saw a bearish cross, a bullish cross, and now a bearish cross again. For MATIC now, after this bearish cross right here, we haven't seen it going bullish again. We haven't seen the blue line meeting the signal line and of course going upwards. We need to see a bullish recross here. It is very crucial, guys, to see a bullish recross. So let's see a little bit the SSL hybrid in case we have a buying opportunity. We don't yet. We had a selling opportunity 18th June. Now we don't have any buying opportunities according to the SSL hybrid, neither the Bollinger Bands, that we are not touching the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands. But the commodity channel index is way below -100. Always have that in your mind, and it is on the daily frame. Let's go now, guys, to MATIC against Bitcoin to tell you something that I personally didn't like at all, right? I personally don't like the way that how fast we can go into an overbought situation, going upwards like just a minimum amount, guys. You can see here we went upwards like 5%. If I go from here, we went like 10%, and we went into an extremely overbought situation. While when we were here, guys, we didn't go so fast into an overbought situation. For example, here, guys, we moved 20% before we are going into an overbought situation. You can see the commodity channel index. Now we are moving into an overbought situation much sooner. This means, guys, that we are losing some position for MATIC Bitcoin chart, and we need to start outperforming Bitcoin. I won't stand so long on the 4-hour frame, guys. I will go quickly to the daily frame, and we are getting a squeeze point. As you can see now, 20-day EMA, the yellow line, is becoming our resistance level. The 50-day EMA is becoming our support level. We need to see now where we will go, because eventually, guys, if we break above here, and especially from this resistance line, which is very crucial, then I believe MATIC can do extremely well. For the time being, we have to be a little bit careful. The MACD doesn't look good on the daily frame. If we see a bullish recross, it is absolutely fine. For the RSI, guys, we are still in the middle. And for the commodity channel index, we were in an oversold situation. Now we are not, right? We are not in an oversold situation. We always have to remember that. And we need just to break above this triangle here. And of course, we need to go and surpass this resistance level for MATIC Bitcoin chart. Let's go MATIC, guys, USDT valuation. You can see here that, of course, we want to avoid getting to 1.20. Is it possible to get to 1.20? Yes, it is, guys. But if we remain a little bit above this area right here, and if we start seeing Bitcoin going upwards, then it's all good. What we want to see here for Bitcoin, we want to see it closing on the daily frame above the 33,800. This is very crucial, guys, in case we want to have any significant upward, guys, chance of going above the 38,500 again and 39,500. We need to close above the 33,800. If we don't do that, then we might go further down. But always have that in your mind that it is very possible to see a swing high from now on. I will tell you why. First, the daily commodity channel index for Bitcoin. As I told you guys back in the days that we should be careful here where we had an overbought situation. Now, okay, we might find a reversal pattern and we go upwards, right? So for the daily frame, let's see the RSI. What I told you guys about the RSI is that if we don't surpass this level right here, then we can't go to 42,000 Tether USD and 46,000 Tether USD. You can see how important it is to surpass this level right here, because we are having a declining RSI in the daily frame all the way for Bitcoin. Therefore, what we need to do now is to stop above this support level and eventually, guys, find a reversal pattern and go all the way upwards right here, even surpassing our high right now, and especially, guys, our previous high. We need to do that in order to see a momentum shift, guys. The RSI is very strong indicator, and always we need to see the pattern, guys, that it follows. It is very crucial to see what pattern is hidden in the RSI indicator. And now you can see a very bearish candle here, red bearish candle. What we need to see now is if we have the strength to go above the 33,800 in the daily frame, guys. It is very crucial, because you know my opinion, and I will stand in my opinion all the way, that we are going down to 27,000 Tether USD. I've always told that it is very possible to go down here, but in between, if you want to have a swing trade, it's fine by me, guys. The commodity channel index is being in a crucial state. The Ethereum also is in an oversold situation, and therefore, guys, what I expect for MATIC is to have a swing high, of course. I expect for MATIC to have a swing high again. You can see on the daily frame we are below minus 100. The Bitcoin is below minus 100, stands in an oversold situation. So even if we go to 1.20, I believe we can have a significant swing high here for MATIC, especially, guys, if we can go above the red here, the 50-day MA, the red line, because as you can see, we are finding resistance in here for now, and we want to see, especially going above the 20-day MA and the 50-day EMA. So our next price targets 1.38, 1.49, 1.58, around there, guys, 1.48, 1.58, 1.38. We just go 10 cents upwards, guys. You can see that we want to see these targets being achieved for the short term. Right now we are getting into a critical oversold situation. Always have that in your mind. But if you want more of a midterm price analysis, I believe MATIC will go further down. On the midterm, it will go further down because I believe Bitcoin will go all the way down to 26 to 27,000 Tether USD. You always knew my position, guys. I was always telling that, and I will stand strong in my position. Many people thought that this, or think that this is the lowest point we can go. I believe we can go even lower to 26 to 27,000 Tether USD. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.